Okay, so for the past 2 weeks, we've been learning to put our fingers on the strings and trying to say the notes as we go up. So when we do the D string, we put our first finger down, we have an E, second finger is F, third finger is G. So as we put down the finger, it goes up one in the musical alphabet. So now we're going to combine it with the music on the staff. So you guys already know about the staff. We have 5 lines and 4 spaces. And remember what this is called? We have the treble clef. Treble, not trouble. And you guys know where the open strings are. And that's very important. So remember, all the way down here is our G. Then we have our D. Right here we have our A. And all the way up here we have our E string. So those are just our basic open strings. Now we are only going to talk about our D string. So we start off on the space. If we go up by 1, if we put down our first finger on the D string, we're going to go onto the line. So we went from space to line. And this is the E. Now if we go up 1 more by putting down our second finger, we go to the next space. And that next space, you know it, is F. That's our F sharp. And we go up by 1 more finger, we're going to put down that third finger, and that is our G. Our third finger, D, E, F sharp, G. And this is what we're going to be working with for the next couple of weeks. So get comfortable seeing them either on the space or on the line. No matter where it is, if I decide to put a note right here or right here, it's still a D. If I put a note right here or right here, it's still an E. Okay? If it's on the same line or same space, it's the same note.